So we continue with nursing leadership. What is the difference between the three types of leaders? We can see the characteristics of autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire regarding decision making, situations where to be used, motivation, task delegation and inference, and productive. Sometimes you get a question on this. So autocratic employees not involved, only leader take decision. Democratic leader only takes decision but gather information. Employees take decision but leaders is still responsible. So like this you have various you understand what is the difference between, you can go through it. Characteristics again, autocratic, democratic and laissez-faire. On various points you have concern on the patient, trust on subordinates, discussion with supervisors, value of subordinates and criteria. On these aspects you can see the difference. Again, communication flow, all these three you can just read up. Transformational versus transactional leadership, what is the difference? Visionary leadership. The visionary style of leadership involves a charismatic leader who motivates to pursue a common vision by providing guidance on where to go and what to do. The leader motivates employees towards the overall goals of the organization. He exchanges information freely to subordinates with the knowledge they will need to succeed. The visionary style works ideally when the healthcare facility is in need of a new direction. Recent leadership styles, Nursing Time Journal. There are a number of useful models to help to guide senior nurses in leading other staff. The two most common are transactional models and transformational models. And this is a servant type leadership style, leadership, transformational leader. You remember Gandhiji led by example, not by force. So what are the characteristics of transactional and transformational leader? Meaning a leader employs rewards and punishments for motivating followers. Transformational is leader employs charisma and enthusiasm to inspire his followers. On various aspects you can read up. What are the advantages of transformational leader? High productivity, high employee satisfaction, strongly correlated with lower turnover rates. Leadership and empowerment. Having empowered employees is the dream of every leader. Leadership is practiced not so much in words as in attitude and in actions.